On Friday the 1st and Saturday the 2nd of July, there's an incredible 2-day programme of contemporary dance at Canary Wharf called Dancing City. Dance company Canduco present a new piece choreographed by someone you'll recognise from Strictly Come Dancing, Arlene Phillips. And there's much more besides. On Saturday the 2nd of July, there'll be a BSL information tour at Dancing City. The tour will begin at the Tube entrance at Jubilee Plaza at 12:45. Look out for the interpreter, who will be wearing a high-vis jacket. The tour will follow the schedule called Marathon or Journey 2. If you can't make the start, timings and locations can be found in the programme.